What's up, YouTube family? In this vlog, I'm going to be watching another game of Norbert Torres, PBA basketball player. Enjoy. Alright, let's try this jersey on. I'm going to surprise Norbert. I'm going to be rocking his team's jersey. It's not his name though, it's Norwood. This is one of the more popular guys. Cheerleaders. You only have Norwood? Only Norwood? Only Norwood and yeah. Yeah? Oh, I want yeah. Yeah? Well, it's extra large. So I need medium. They have yak. Medium and yak. Is yak the guy who's dating the president's daughter? Yes. I dated that girl? James, yeah. This guy's popular. We support these guys. Oh yeah. I know I'm clear. I look good, sir? Sir, it looks good? Okay, how do I pay? I can pay cash. Alright guys, look. I'm fresh. I look like I'm gonna play in the game. I got my shorts, but I got a hat on, I got my necklace. I am the super fan. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is PBA. Oh, I can take a picture right there. Definitely gonna take a picture right there. That's cool. Yeah, let's take a picture here. All right, it's time to head in. Like, this stadium is nice. This is a lot nicer than the other one I went to. So the Areta Stadium, I find, is nicer than the Phil's Sports Arena. This just seems a lot more professional. The vibes. Let's see my ticket. Row 2. Huh. Let's see. Let's see. Where's this one? Wow. 113.1. Wow, it's packed. Look over there. I'm looking for Danny and Danny's beautiful. Yeah. Their station.
Last 3 hits, also scored over ball lead. That's a goal for technical 3.
Hello. Can I sit here? Yeah, you sit down. Oh wow, this is a nice seat. It's okay?
Second quarter, brought to you by World Balance.
Oh yeah, these are good. These are amazing seats.
His first foul to open bid. 32, foul bid on 12.
I can't wait for Norbert. I cannot wait.
Thank you very much, easy outlaw. I know a roving basket.
These seats are amazing. Amazing. Let's go, rain or shine, baby. Let's get it. Oh, that was cool, guys. So because I'm walking around with my stick, I'm vlogging. I had like 4 people come up to me and want to take a picture with me. You know, it's coming. I keep believing in it. This vlog that I'm starting, I'm telling you, by next year, I'm gonna have 100K followers. Believe it. Say what you want. Say what you want in life. Manifest it, because it's gonna become real. As long as you keep saying it, keep believing it, keep working hard, keep pushing, because you can do whatever you put your mind to. Let's get it. Shooting a free throw. 198, he misses. Coming down the court. If they get this next shot in, if they shoot a 3, they can win the game. Here we go for 3. Oh, and off. No foul. San Miguel wins. So sad, so bad. On to the next game. Norbert Torres. Let's get it. Rain or shine! Let's go! Norbert, it's time to shine. Wow, what a standing ovation! This is apparently the best team in the league. Yeah, I'm one of his best friends from childhood, from Canada. Thank you, bro. Enjoy. Yes, sir. Thank you. Dunk it! That's from Canada, right? Good job. That guy's from Canada. on the court. Look at everyone taking pictures. Yes, Norbert! Look at Norbert right here, baby.
Is it good? You ready for a show? Ready for a show?
I'm ready for the show, baby. I'm ready for look. Over in front of people taking photos of me. Look. Cheers! Sorry. Dunk it.
Jump.
Hope Norbert gets in. Norbert, I'm cheering for you. Let's get it. Let's go rain or shine, baby. Let's get it. Look at the PBA girl announcers right here doing the interviews. Hello.
Hi everyone!
It's a video. I want a video with you. You're the legend. Boss Daddy, guys. All right, baby. Game time. Let's go. Let's go, rain or shine. Let's go. Norbert! Norbert! Norbert right here. This guy's a senator right here. Have one. It's a video. Thank you. Oh yeah, get up the masters! No, yeah. Good call, ref. Yes, let's go, Norbert! Oh yeah. Norbert's about to get some minutes, y'all. Norbert's about to get some minutes. Let's get it. Let's go, rain or shine. Let's go, Norbert! Scotty! Scotty! Yeah, D him up, Knob! Watch the screen! Yup. Oh yeah, you got him! He's going nowhere! Yeah! Defense! Good D, Norbert! Lock him down! Come on, Norbert! It's all right! Keep shooting it! Oh yeah, lockdown! Oh shit! Ah, damn! Good move!
3 throws, 1 loss.
Torres! Good job, Torres! What a game so far. Norbert came in the game. He's missed so many shots, but his team caught up. They even took the lead with him. Knock it down! You're getting all the shots. Knock them down. Where's James? Yup. Yeah, I got you, fam. Hit him. That's what I'm talking about, Norbert.
What's up, Toronto?
Yes, sir. Knock it down. Yes, sir. Look at Norbert. Good time, Nob. In a really great effort. Norbert's team tried their best. Norbert! They tried, but it's over now. Good effort, Raiders shine. Came a little short, but much better than the last game. Much better effort. You guys are getting better. Keep going. Keep it up. Miss Cheerleader, can I have a video with you? Good job. I saw your show.
Hi.
What's your thing? What is it? TikTok?
My TikTok account is Nikkie Millares official. I hope you guys can follow me.
What about Instagram?
My Instagram got disabled, but
Why?
my management, I don't know, no community guideline thing. But we're working on getting it back, so you guys can wait at Nikkie Millares official as well. But I have a Facebook page, Nikkie Millares official, so please do follow.
Thank you.
Is this your vlog?
This is my vlog. Yes, I'm starting. There it is. Nikkie Millares. Jeez. You have over a million followers. I'm going to follow you.
Thank you, Kuya.
Bye-bye. What's up, guys? After the game, Norbert and I headed over to BGC in Metro Manila. The BGC, guys, is where there's a lot of expats. It's more of an expensive spot where there's fine dining, more luxurious bars, and even clubs. You know, you can see the lights in the sky. It's different. It's different. It's where there's more money, I'd say. And but even with that, you know, it's a more expensive spot. Imagine we bought a bottle of tequila of Jose Cuervo at the bar just to keep at our table for $20. You know, we couldn't finish it. We gave so many shots out that night. I remember, and the security guard even walked with us to make sure we took the Uber home properly and all that kind of stuff. So it really is amazing times, amazing services in the Philippines. And always remember, guys, we have one life. Take more risks.